All right, well, let's see what we have here. We just got into this. We got in pretty early, 9:37. We got into these buys on YM just due to the fact of how the 30 closed. I like how this looks here. And it's a 60 pip stop, which is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to do anything heavier. So, and we got London highs and Asia session highs. So I think price would want to come up a little higher. And we're rejecting off this area on the 5. We came down to the 25% of this right here on the hourly, this fair value gap. So I think this should hold, hopefully. Fingers crossed. That's the setup for today. Let's see how it goes. We end up running through this 30-minute right here, and I'll probably just get out. It's good. I see how the 15 closes, giving this pretty decent breathing room. So let's see if this comes up from here. But yeah, whatever happens, you guys will see. I'll record it after. We ended up taking a loss on this trade. Another loss, bro. Every time I get close to a fucking payout, bro. I'm not close, bro. I just can't fucking catch a win, bro. And I know it's not the market, bro. I thought it was a good setup. We had SMT with NQ. I got in based off of how this 15 looked. Everything looked clean. Look how clean all this looks. Entered based off of that. We had to push up, and then we just completely shit the bed. But I guess I wasn't paying attention to the 1 hour. We came up above this high right here, wicked above it. I guess we grabbed that liquidity there, and then we just came off of it. I saw this here, bro, and I just thought we were going to continue flying up because ES and NQ were both flying up. So I thought YM was good since we had that SMT with NQ. So we just got baked, bro. We went up about 53 pips, and then we came down and we lost. Full R today. Oh, man. We're down. We are down $305.76 on 5 accounts. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow, man. I mean, there's nothing else I can do. I'm just frustrated, bro. This shit is so frustrating. This shit is so frustrating. I need a haircut. For me, need you to hold my glove when I'm in the club. Yeah, some hoes in the back ain't wanna come show me love. Took my dogs to the strip and I spent a dirty dub. Ooh, ooh. August 2025, 25th, 2025. Let's see what we have. Let's see what happened here. What do we have? And YM took a loss. YM loss. Same thing. Go to the weekly. We marked out our previous week highs, previous week lows. It was in line with previous day high, or previous day high was in line. I had this wrong. Hold my Glock. Yep, I had that wrong. So what I was anticipating is a wick down to then move up. We had to break a structure here on the daily. This was our high right here. Or this right here was our high, right? Because it's closed above here. We ended up breaking really strongly. We had to break a structure. So I was anticipating, right? I had this Fibonacci here. Not Fibonacci, just area on this 4-hour break. I had this marked up like this. I had it marked up just like that. I was anticipating that we were going to come down. We were reacting off the 25% area. We had SMT with ES. But I wasn't paying attention to this area here that price reacted off of on the 1 hour. So this was our last high that was created at 7 a.m. that price wicked above. And we didn't close above it. And we ended up just flowing down, right? So here's what I was looking at. We had SMT with NQ, SMT with NQ 830, 930 SMT. If you go to NQ, you'll see that we had SMT here as well, 830, 930 here with ES as well. So what did I anticipate? Price was moving up strongly. I was okay with this area just because I liked how the 30-minute closed. So I entered off the 5, which was at around 937. So around this candle right here, 935, I saw the wick down. I got in off of the wick down, covered the low with 60 ticks, and I was anticipating that we were going to come up 120 ticks, which would have been Asia session high, just a little 1 to 2 liquidity points. We had our CISD, everything was wicking off that area, and then price just completely plummeted down. So yeah, that was the trade. I really just got cooked. We went up, so we got in over here Right here, we went up about 53 ticks. And then price just from 945 went down and took us out. So that was our losing day today. Losing day on YM. It is what it is. NQ would have been another good entry here. We did come up to my targets. I just decided to take YM because it looked cleaner at the moment. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken this on NQ. Probably would have waited for the closure of this candle right here on the CISD, and it just would have been too much to cover. So I would have rather probably just taken what I taken with YM and moved on with my day. YM is continuing to dump. Does that mean we're going to be bearish the whole week? No, I'm anticipating that we're probably going to test this break of structure here and then move up. We do have all-time highs up here. We do have these highs up here. So I'm anticipating that price is going to come up sometime this week. I just got cooked at the beginning of the week. So it is what it is, man. We move on. All glory to God, bro. Another trading day. Come back tomorrow. We have the whole week. And yeah, bro. I got a little bit emotional today trading. But there's nothing else we could do about it. It is what it is, man. God bless you guys, bro. All glory to God. Keep God first. And hit the jump, man. Hold my Glock when I'm in the club. Get some hoes in the back and they wanna come show me love. So my dog to the strip and I spit that dirty dog. Hold my Glock